these are the things we need to make this: the pair of scissors, the yarn needle, and I'm using the 1.25mm crochet hook, and we need the plier and 2 hook ear wires and 2 open jump rings, and I'm using these 2 colors of 100% cotton yarn. Then let's get started. I'm starting with this color. Make a magic circle to start, and to secure the magic circle, put a slip knot into this, insert the hook into the magic circle, grab the yarn, pull it through the magic circle, grab the yarn again and pull it through the loop. And then we have to work 8 single crochet inside this magic loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then to close the magic circle, pull this tail and put a slip stitch to the first chain we have made into this magic circle. Now we are going to join the next color. Now to start the second round, we will take the next color and make a slip knot like this. Take the hook and insert the loop into the hook and pull this new color loop through the other loop. And you can pull this tail to tighten it up. Now we are starting working with the other color. Okay, when you are doing the second round, make sure that you are going through all these yarn, and the second round is going to be 2 single crochets to each one of these stitches. We will start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, like that you have to work 2 single crochets to each one of these stitches. Okay, now we are going to start the third round. In this round, it's going to be 1 single crochet to the first stitch and 2 single crochets to the second stitch. 1 single crochet to the first stitch and 2 single crochets to the second stitch. That is the pattern for the third round. So we will start. First, you have to grab the other color yarn and pull this to make it tight, and then 1 stitch, 1 single crochet to the first stitch and 2 single crochets to the second stitch. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So like this, continue until the end of this round. At the end of this round, you have to have 24 chains. Now I have come to the end of the round 3 and put a slip stitch to finish the round 3. Then take the next color, take the other color to start the round 4 like this. And then this round is going to be 1 single crochet to the first stitch, 1 single crochet to the second stitch and 2 single crochets together to the third stitch. 1 1 2 1 1 2 like that. Okay, so we will start making it. 1 1 and 2 together. 1 1 and 2 together. So like that, continue until the end all the way around, and I will meet you back there. Now I have come to the end of the round 4, and now you should have 24 stitches around, and we will put a slip stitch to finish the round 4. Then we will start the last round. So on this round, the pattern is going to be chain 1 and slip stitch to the next stitch. Chain 1 and slip stitch. So chain 1 and a slip stitch to the next stitch. Chain 1 and a slip stitch. Chain 1 and a slip stitch. Chain 1 and a slip stitch. Now complete it until the end all the way around, chain 1 and slip stitch. Now I am at the end of the last round, so I will make a slip stitch to the first chain we have made on this round. And just chain 1 and pull the yarn. Grab your scissors and you can cut it off. and you can cut the other color yarn too. Now I will show you how to hide this yarn into this earring. So I will start with this color. Take your yarn needle and insert it to few stitches. Like this. Make sure that you are going through the same color stitches and thread the needle, and then you can pull it to hide it. Then you can cut it off from here and do the same thing to the other color. It's better if this needle is quite sharp. Insert it like this. Now I am going to show you how to insert this hook ear wire and the open jump ring to the earring. So take the open jump ring and open it up using your plier, and you can insert that to a stitch in the last round of the earring like this, and to the same open jump ring insert the hook ear wire and secure it with the plier. Now I have completed the earrings, and if you have anything to ask regarding making this, you can just comment on the section below, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.